We'll add a drag-and-drop exercise. Scroll through the storyboard to the slide after which the new activity should be inserted. Click the New Learning Interaction button to access interactive exercise options. From the category list, choose Interactive Exercises to see hands-on activity types. Click the Drag-and-Drop option. The AI will set up a matching activity where learners move items to correct targets. Specify the slide range that will provide content for the exercise, or leave the default range if it suits your needs. Press Continue to trigger the AI's creative process. A brief animation shows that it's building the exercise. The AI creates slides containing draggable items and drop zones with instructions and feedback. Inspect the new slides. The content may include instructions, descriptions of the drag and drop items, and explanations. Adjust the text to align with your instructional goals.